Welcome. In today's video, we're breaking down how to unmute notifications from people you don't follow on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. A recent update has shuffled a few menu items around, so if you've been wondering where that setting went, don't worry, this guide will make it super easy to find. First, open x.com and sign into your account. Once you're on your home page, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several options like Home, Explore, and Messages. But for this, click on Notifications. Now, inside your Notifications section, look carefully toward the upper right corner of the page. You'll find a little gear-shaped icon labeled Settings. Click it, and that will take you into your Notification Settings area. From here, you'll see a list of different categories. Click on Filters. This section allows you to manage exactly which notifications show up for you and which ones get muted. It's an easy way to control what kind of activity you see on your timeline and alert panel. Next, go into Muted Notifications. Here's where most people don't realize a default filter might be on. You'll notice several checkboxes that control notifications from different groups of users, people you don't follow, who have new accounts, or who haven't confirmed their email or phone number. Look for the one that says you don't follow. If it's currently checked, that means notifications from accounts you don't follow are muted and won't appear in your feed or alert tab. To start seeing these notifications again, simply uncheck that box. Once you've done that, your changes are saved automatically. You can back out of the settings panel and return to your main feed. From now on, you'll get alerts when people you don't follow interact with your posts, reply to you, or mention your username. And that's it, a few easy clicks to take full control of your X notifications. If you found this helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more quick tutorials that help you get the most out of your social media experience.